Hey girlies, tonight we are going to a movie premiere, so we need to get ready. I'm actually going alone. I'm really nervous. Dallas was gonna go with me, but he ended up booking a session last minute, so obviously he needs to prioritize work over going to the carpet with me. I never do anything alone anymore, so I'm just a little bit nervous. I was contemplating canceling, but I'm gonna power through. I'm gonna get hot pics. I just can't miss an opportunity to serve, you know what I'm saying? I'm currently getting ready 6 hours before I need to be on the carpet. I like to get ready really early. That way I have plenty of time to make TikToks, make sure that my outfit works, find trending sounds, everything like that. I do not like being rushed at all, so I would rather sit on the couch fully dressed, glam done 2 hours before I need to leave than be rushing out the door 20 minutes after I need to leave. It works for me and makes sense in my head, okay? I actually have a photographer that's gonna come over before I leave too, so that we can get some cute pictures for Instagram and everything like that, and she's gonna be here in 4 hours, so it's not quite as bad. I did an 8 a.m. solid core class this morning and it kicked my ass. I've worked out every single day for the last 3 days. I'm doing a challenge for myself over the next 2 weeks. I plan on going to solid core every single day as long as I can handle it. I'm sure I'm gonna hit a point like halfway through this or something where I literally cannot move and I need a day to recover. But this is my first time ever doing solid core, and if you're a new member, you get the first 2 weeks for $100 and one class is $40. So it's a really amazing deal. I just want to take advantage of it. I've really been in my fitness grind and I'm feeling really good and super proud of myself. I've also really been wanting to try core power yoga. I've never done it before and they do a week free, so I can't decide if I want to try it during these 2 weeks or if I want to wait till after and then take advantage of the full week there. I'm really just trying to take all the freebies that I can right now. I want to show you guys what I'm wearing tonight so that you guys can have a little bit of a vision of what we're going for. I saw Shay Mitchell wear this outfit back in December and I was so obsessed with it. Look at how cute. I ended up going to her stylist page, figuring out where they bought this outfit from, and I got it. So I'm so excited to finally wear it. It just came in like a few weeks ago and I've been waiting for the perfect moment for it. Tonight I'm going to the Companion movie premiere and it's a horror movie, but I feel like it's kind of like a girly dolly horror movie. This is one of the photos from it, and so I feel like this outfit will be perfect. Even though it's pink and red, I just feel like with the font and everything, it's gonna fit really well. So I'm super excited. I just did my hair and it looks amazing from the front, but you guys do not want to see the back. I'm not kidding. I put in a little bit of extension so that I could get this bun since my hair is really short and you can see my tracks. But honestly, I don't give a fuck. I know they're not gonna be in the photos because I'm just gonna serve this way and this way only. No one's gonna see the side and it's gonna be fine. And if you do see them, mind your own fucking business. I can't decide if I should do something kind of extra and unique with my glam or if I should just do my everyday makeup routine. Okay, surprise you guys, I'm gonna do my makeup how I do every single day. The red carpet can honestly be so scary trying something new. I obviously wanna love the photos and feel super confident, so that's what we're gonna do. It's honestly so crazy to me that I even get invited to premieres like this. Obviously for the last 10 years of my career, I've been glamming everyone for premieres, so the fact that I get invited as a content creator is crazy. The trajectory that my career is going is truly something that was just like so unimaginable for me. I'm seriously just so grateful. It seems like everything that I do recently is honestly just a pinch me moment. I got a spray tan last night and I'm not gonna lie, I think this is one of the best tans I've had in a really long time, probably because Dallas and I have just been DIYing my own tans at home recently. So there definitely is a difference between us doing it and an actual professional, but it just looks so good and even. I cannot get over it. My base is going on so seamless. It's honestly just crazy how much confidence a tan brings you. I'm really trying to level up my Instagram this year. I feel like I've put so much focus into TikTok over the last year and a half or so. And I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. The TikTok ban was super eye-opening for me because it really just made me realize that I need to put time into other platforms as well, which is why I'm back on YouTube again. But I also just really want to get back into taking cute Instagram pictures. A few years ago, me and my friends would literally get dressed, go to coffee, and just take cute lifestyle pictures of each other, and I haven't done something like that in a really long time. That's why I'm having the photographer come over before I leave for the premiere tonight, and then tomorrow I'm super excited because I'm doing a stylized Valentine's Day shoot. I'm gonna kind of have it be like 60s vibes. I got this really cute dress from Nana Jacqueline, rented a studio, got a photographer, like we are doing the whole shebang, which will just be so fun. The location is so cute. You guys are gonna die when you see it. Makeup is complete. I honestly love how it came out. I think the hair looks really good too, and it's gonna eat with this outfit. She is absolutely giving. I tried on the outfit a little bit ago because I made some TikToks and it looks so fucking good. I'm so excited to wear it. The photographer will be here in like the next 30 minutes or so. I took it off because it was all black and Olive kept trying to jump on me. I was really scared about her getting white fur all over it. So I'm gonna wait till the photographer gets here so that I can put Olive in her crate, get dressed really quick, then shoot all of our photos, and I'll show you guys what it looks like then. Okay, here's the outfit reveal. I'm obsessed. It's kind of giving like French maid but masculine. It's just so cool. I'm obsessed with it. I think that the hair complements it really well. I'm glad that I ended up sticking with my go-to everyday makeup just because I feel the most confident in it. I kind of wish that I had sticky tape so I could like cement my boobs up, but I also don't feel like enough is showing for it to be a big deal. Photos came out so sickening. I cannot wait for the photographer to send them back. She's gonna send them over to me tonight, and then I'm probably gonna try and get the post up either tonight if it's not too late or tomorrow morning. I need to leave here in a few. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to go anymore since Dallas isn't coming with me. And since I already got my pictures, I'm kind of like, damn, do I just get undressed and stay home? But I already committed, so I definitely need to go. I also want to be mad about just staying at home, I'm not gonna lie. However, it's good to get out, be social, and I'm super grateful that Warner Brothers invited me. So let's go to the movie premiere. I just got back from the premiere. Honestly, wasn't bad. I was super nervous to go alone, obviously, but it ended up going really, really good. I feel like I slayed my carpet pictures. I'm gonna be refreshing Getty images for the rest of the night, trying to see how they came out. I am so ready to get out of this outfit and to change into sweats now. Hi, my sweet Olive. I missed you. Dallas is still at his session. I miss him. Hi, Alvin. Tomorrow. Hi. Tomorrow I have the Valentine's Day shoot that I was telling you guys about earlier, and I kind of need to get my outfits together, but I'm not gonna lie, I might save that for tomorrow. Alice and I were gonna go tonight to get like a cake and cupcakes and cute little things to use as props, but I just have a feeling that he's gonna be at his session until really, really late. Could be wrong, but I feel like I might just go here soon just to get it over with so that way we're good to go and I'm not stressed or anything like that. Oh, you are such a sweet girl. My Olive is just like sweetest thing on planet Earth. Literally, she just loves cuddles and just wants to be kissed and held all day long. I love it. While I was changing, the photographer actually sent back my photos. That happened so fast. I feel like normally you have to wait a while, but she was on top of it, which is so slay, and they came out so good. We ate it up. They're some of my favorite photos I've ever taken. It is just crazy how much having an actual photographer versus my little Instagram photographer boyfriend elevates the entire experience. Like, Dallas always slays it. He really does a good job. I've trained him well with the photos, but a photographer is just like chef's kiss. They look so, so, so good. I can't decide if I want to go to like Ralph's or Target though. I feel like Target could potentially have cuter things, but Ralph's is so much closer, but it's also not that far. It's like a few minutes. It's a few minutes more to go to Target. My Olive girl's being so good. She's so sleepy now. She really is my best friend in the entire world. I swear to God, the only, not even people, but the only ones that I hang out with is her and Dallas. They are my best friends. She normally goes in the crate when we're away, but honestly, she's been doing so good. She doesn't get into anything. She doesn't tear anything up or do anything that she's not supposed to do other than eat the cat litter, but we have a baby gate and I close that. I'm kind of considering letting her be a big girl and stay out of her crate. I think she's so sleepy. She'll probably either just sleep here on the couch or go in the crate because that's kind of like her safe space anyway. Even when she's just taking a nap, most of the time she'll go and lay in there on her own. I love you. I'm gonna go get some things really, really quick and then I'll be back and we can cuddle in bed. You wanna cuddle in bed later? I know, you love to cuddle. My baby, she's wagging her tail. She gets so excited. I just got back from Target. I kind of stopped vlogging there just because it was really chaotic. Hi, Olive. She just always needs attention. I know, I told you to cuddle in bed when I get home. Give me just a few minutes, okay? I ended up getting cupcakes, cookies, chocolate, and flowers. So I would say that it was pretty successful. Now I'm just gonna pack up my shoot bag because tomorrow my hair girly is coming at 8 a.m., which probably means that I need to do my makeup before, which I'm not really looking forward to because I'm leaving as soon as she's done to head to the shoot. I need to leave here around like 11:15, shoots at 12. But oh my God. You scared me so bad. This is the first outfit that I got, and to be honest, I'm not sure if I'm fully obsessed with it or not. It's really large and baggy, but the room is this exact same color blue, so I thought that this could maybe be cute. I don't know, we'll see. If it doesn't work, I'll just end up returning it. I also got this matching blue headband. I got this really cute 60s inspired dress and blazer. I also love the embellishments on the buttons. This is so cute. It looks so good. I cannot wait to wear this. I feel like I'm gonna keep this and wear it to an event or something at some point too. And the nice thing about these outfits is they don't need to be hung or steamed or anything. They can just sit in the bag and they'll be fine. And then this is the last outfit. It's this red dress with fur around the neck. It also has these red gloves, which I think is really cute, and I've never worn anything like this before. I originally got this to do a little photo shoot for Christmas, but then I just never got around to it, so I feel like this could possibly be really cute. Those are all from Nana Jacqueline, by the way. Then I ended up putting something a little spicy in my bag in case I want to do a little photo shoot for him for Valentine's Day. I can't decide if that's my vibe or not, but I brought it just in case. And honestly, I guess that's all I need in that bag. Then tomorrow I'll pack up a little makeup kit and hair things so that we can like do touch-ups there if I need to. But honestly, slay. That was easier than I think I thought it would be. Good morning, flashback Mary. I'm so excited because today is the big day. We have my photo shoot. Woo! I really wish that Olive could come because I think it would be so cute to leave a red kiss on her forehead or something like that. But it's like $250 if you want to bring an animal. And I love my girl, but I'm not paying $250 for her to be on set and topple everything over today. Currently 6 in the morning. I'm so tired. I'm about to do my makeup because I want to try and get it done before she gets here. I was thinking about maybe not doing the skin just yet because I feel like sometimes like when I get my hair done after my makeup, some of the makeup comes off around like the border of my hairline. I just don't know that I want to risk that. So I feel like I might do my face as she's doing my hair even. Definitely not ideal, but I'm trying to problem solve here. I don't know, I might just do my makeup before because we're doing kind of like this retro 60s vibe and I'm gonna have my bangs down, so if anything, it'll cover the border. And I'll just set the living shit out of my face. I feel like that's probably the better option. I'm really tired, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna do a talking get ready with me. I can't even finish the sentence. I'm really tired, so I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'm gonna film like a proper get ready with me for this. I'm gonna take some clips on my phone for a TikTok, but it's not gonna be like the full shebang. So get ready without me. Okay, I just got done with my makeup and I am so obsessed with it. It's very Positions Ariana Grande inspired. It came out so good. Then we're gonna do really similar hair to what she had during that run too, and I think it's gonna look insane. Oh my god, I am so excited. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like my makeup like this or not. This is my first time really doing something adventurous with my glam since my upper bluff, and I'm obsessed. Like, I could totally picture myself wanting to wear this to a carpet or something. It looks really good. Can't stop posing and like admiring my glam. Jen is almost here and then we're gonna get started on hair and I'll check back in with you guys when we're done. Jen just got done doing my hair and it looks so good. I'm so obsessed with how it came out. I'm also just like living for this outfit right now. I feel so cute and girly swirly in Valentine's Day. The makeup and hair looks absolutely incredible. I just finished packing up one of my bags. I packed some stuff to touch up my hair, my makeup, everything like that. And I'm getting so excited. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why, but I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. And I can't wait to bring you guys along with me. I'm also really excited because I want to start doing more shoots like this. I feel like this would be so fun. And it's so fun to bring you guys along for days like this too, because obviously this isn't my normal day-to-day life. This is like a fun, exciting treat. This is like equivalent to my work sweet treat. Just got to the studio. The photographer should be here any minute now, but look at how cute this is. I'm obsessed. We have this really cool red room that kind of has the bathtub and a little vanity moment. This wallpaper is sickening. Oh my god, the chandelier too. And we have this other room. It's this really cute vintage bedroom. Also has a vanity here as well. This is so cute. Oh my god, I might have to wear this robe. That's so cute. This is one of the cutest studios I think I've ever seen in my entire life. My arms literally hurt from carrying all of this up right now. I was like lugging that shit up the stairs. I will say the studio is way cuter in person than it was in the pictures online. It just didn't look very elevated. Looked a little cheesy perhaps, but in person and even on this camera it looks so you guys like my fun little Valentine's Day fit that I'm wearing too? I had to wear like a pre-game Valentine's Day outfit to really like get in the vibe, and I feel like Regina George's mom. Not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom. Just got done with the shoot and oh my god, we ate it up, girls. It came out so good. I'm obsessed with every single photo. I don't even know how I'm gonna make my selects. Carrie Ann is amazing and she just makes you feel so comfortable when you're shooting too. I'm so excited. It's only gonna take 30 minutes to get home too, which is a major slay. I didn't get much behind the scenes footage. I'm really bummed about that. I think next time I definitely need to bring an assistant to help me carry all of my things, get me organized, lay out the clothes, help with vlog footage, everything like that. I feel like that would definitely be a game changer, but went really good. Now we're gonna go home and chill for the rest of the day. This is the best time of the night when I get to get in bed with the girls. I have not been a very good vlogger today, I'm not gonna lie. Everything was truly just a 10 out of 10. We knocked it out so fast. I booked the studio for like 2.5 hours and I'm a really fast shooter, I'll be honest. We were done in like an hour, which was amazing because I hate just taking a million billion photos that I know I'm not gonna use. Like I know if I got the shot, I know if I like it. I can't have too many options because if I like 1,000 photos, then somehow my brain's like, okay, I can't post any because I can't decide. I didn't want that to happen because I'm really excited for these. I came home and Olive was just being an absolute wild woman here with Dallas and he still had a lot of work that he needed to get done, so I took her to daycare and then as soon as we got back we decided to go grab a quick bite, so we went to one of our favorite little like dive bar type restaurants, and I was on my way home and I was like, oh my god, this is the first day in like 5 days that I haven't worked out and now I've become addicted to working out. It's crazy because that's not normally like me at all. I normally hate working out, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try core power because my shoulder kind of hurts a little bit right here. It's more so like my neck. I don't know if I slept wrong or if it's just because I'm working out so much and maybe I pulled something. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't want to do solid core again because that might just be a little too intense with it. So I decided to try core power, and I did the sculpt class. I didn't realize it was a hot sculpt class. It was 97 degrees in there. I was sweating my ass off. I honestly can't decide if I liked it or not. I didn't hate it. I would definitely go back, but I didn't leave being like, oh my god, that was the best thing ever. I feel like I want to try it a few more times and just really feel it out and see if I'm obsessed with it or not. I signed up for a week free of unlimited classes, so I feel like I'll probably go a few more times just to feel it out and suss it out. I came home and I don't know what it is, but because I've been working out so much, I've been so hungry. So Dallas and I ordered a second dinner. We ordered Maria's, which is really bomb Italian food in LA. We just got done eating and I'm so exhausted. It's like 9 p.m. and I'm not gonna go to bed yet, but I'm just like, I want to be horizontal. I want to lay down, kick my feet up, look at all the photos that we got today, edit my vlogs. I'm just so excited. I get really impatient when it comes to photo shoots. I'm like, I want the pictures now. Like, I can't wait a few days.
Olive's a sleepy little girl from school. Look at the slow legs. And over here we have beautiful baby bear. Love you.